So hello my dear friends, there is a big update and very big news about CUET, UG and PG University of Hyderabad. First I will show you PG, then I will show you UG and PG दोनों के notification form आ चुके हैं to apply for the admission 23 batch. Okay, here are the all details given, deadline. By 2nd July you can apply. Portal is open. Click on the portal. There are 347 portal. Here all are the certificate details, and there are number of seats available. Maximum number of seats are available in economics. In financial economics there are total I think 37 seats, and general economics 75 seats. So altogether around 112 seats in masters. Similarly you can see for the other courses seat. Okay, Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, sociology, anthropology, all seat distributions are very clearly given with the category wise. Please check it out and please subscribe the channel. Please share this video among your friends. And one more important thing, it is written at the last, you see the star wala section. The application deadline is tentative and it is likely to be extended beyond the NTA CUET result. So if result will be delayed, your application deadline will be extended. Application deadline is till 2nd July. Then notification for merit list will be by 18th of July. फिजिकल रिपोर्टिंग 27th to 29th जुलाई, ये सब आपके एडमिशन होंगे. दैट मीन्स कि योर एडमिशन विल बी बिटवीन 27 to 29th July, and from 1st August your class will start. Application deadline यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, you please check it out. And similarly similar kind of PDF, here all documents related updates are given. So I would simply say you please subscribe the channel and just forget about everything. I will keep updating everything, and you must be knowing कि I have specialized this channel for economics purpose. So regarding University of Hyderabad, sometimes I may post specific video to the members only. So if you are looking to join, there will be a join button. You click on just join button, so that you should be very much aware. And in membership video I will just upload University of Hyderabad exclusive video, because on other YouTube videos I have to upload regarding my economics video where I will update with the economics. So hope it's very clear. Please don't mind it. Okay, तो दिस वाज द बेसिक डिटेल्स. आप लोग अप्लाई कर दें इफ़ यू कैन अप्लाई. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट गेटिंग अप्लाइड, सो प्लीज़ टेक 1-2 टाइम एंड एटलीस्ट वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट. एटलीस्ट इवन यू विल वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट ना, नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज आफ्टर रिजल्ट दे विल अगेन एक्सटेंड द डेट. सो नथिंग टू बी पैनिक. दिस वाज द ऑल डिटेल्स. प्लीज़ शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. 600 rupees for general category to apply, and for additional subject 150, and for other category it is clearly written. Okay, so please share this among your friends guys. And similar kind of things are there for the CUET UG also. So I am also going to show you now UG wala. Okay, so guys here you can see the UG seat distribution and all. There are many number of seats for optometry, around 28 seats maximum number of seats. Then you have chemical science 30 seats, it has the highest I think. These all are UG. CUET UG integrated wala. Integrated course means 5 years course, 3 years graduation, 2 years masters. Again same details. Their deadline is by 13th. Opening of is 13 June, which has not been yet started, but though I have given. So it is again written कि if there is increase in date, अगर date increase होगा CUET result का, तो they will extend the deadline. All details given here. It is same like PG. All documents related and all fee structure, everything, each and everything very clearly written. So nothing to be worried. Please subscribe the channel. Please share this video among your friends and stay tuned. I will keep updating on my Telegram channel as well as YouTube. And for the people who is looking to exclusive videos on HCU, because I post only generally these days economics videos, CUET PG and economics videos, net JRF videos. So please click on join button. There will be a join button. Okay, so once you click on join button, you will be have access to such kind of videos. Because of separation I kept it, and join fee is very less, so no need to worry. Okay, thank you so much guys. Please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with me. There will be Telegram link channel. Just join the Telegram and download the NviNomics app if you are looking for the class for CUET PG 24 entrance economics and UGC net JRF. Thank you. Stay tuned guys. Bye bye. And join the Telegram. At Telegram I update all the post, all the PDF I usually send there. Please share this with CUET PG and CUET UG aspirant also. Chalo, take care. Bye bye guys.